In this experiment, we will investigate the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution using copper electrodes. Our first step is to measure the mass of each of the two different electrodes that will act as the anode and the cathode. We then measure 50 centimeters cubed of the copper sulfate solution into a small beaker. Using the copper electrodes, we set up a simple circuit set to 6 volts. When the electrodes are placed into the copper sulfate solution, you can see the electrolysis process begin. This is evident when you look at the cathode, which is represented by the black wire. Here you can see the build-up of copper. When the electrodes are removed from the solution, you can see a considerable deposit of copper left in the copper sulfate solution. However, it is evident that the cathode has gained some mass, whilst when you remove the anode, represented by the red wire, you can see that this has reduced in mass slightly. In order to quantify this observation, the electrodes must be reweighed. Here we can see that the anode has reduced in mass by over 0.1 of a gram, whilst the cathode has increased in mass by over 0.1 of a gram.